Hello out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy, and this is SincerelyCindiSettle. Have you guessed what today is? Yep, it is a Trendsend day. Alright, so I have a Trendsend by Evereve. If you guys are not familiar with Trendsend, I will have a description down in the description box. There is a discount referral code down there that gives you 20% off. Me 20% off as well. So for those of you that have already used my referral code, thank you very much. Also, your first box is only $1. So give it a try. You might love it like I do. I will attach a playlist somewhere throughout this video so that you guys can see all of the other Trendsend boxes I've gotten. I am going to jump right in to the try on, and then we will do a wrap up to see what I end up keeping. Or maybe keeping, but I love to hear from you guys, so let me know down in the comments what you guys loved in this box, what you think I should pass on. I love hearing from you guys, so I will be right back with the try on. Okay, here we are with outfit number one. Pretty cute, huh? So let's start with the jacket. So the jacket is a very pretty plaid. It's just a blazer, but it does have this little zippered insert here that gives it this hoodie type of look there, and this can be taken out. It's just a simple zipper, and this zips up nicely, fits nicely. When I do try to button it, it is a little bit snug, but otherwise, I mean, it's very comfortable. I feel like it fits well. I wouldn't wear it buttoned anyway. But I think this is super cute. I love the lining. I think that just gives it a little bit more of a casual edge, but you can wear it dressy as well if you take that hood piece out. The sleeves are a good length. I feel like it's a good length all the way around. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the pattern. So there you can see it's just a black and white check. It does have 4 buttons on each sleeve and 1 button here. There are fake pockets, just the illusion of pockets there, but really, really cute. I really think I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's very versatile. I would probably get a lot of wear out of it. So I like it. All right, moving on to the t-shirt. So I do like a good band tee. I think that they are very on trend right now, but I kind of feel like I need to like the band before I get the shirt. So the shirt is, I'm not a big Rolling Stones fan. I'm just going to throw that out there. I'm more of an 80s band, hair bands kind of girl, like Bon Jovi, Poison, that kind of thing. So anyway, the shirt itself though is very comfortable. It's very soft. It's just a simple crew neck here, nothing special about it. The print is nice. I like the graphic. I think it's pretty. It's not bright. It's kind of vintage looking, which I like. I mean, it's just a basic t-shirt. I'll pull it out here after I talk about the pants. So, okay, so the pants are pretty amazing. So you guys have seen me try on a couple pair of different coated pants or coated jeans similar to this, and these are like, they're not really like an elastic, but they're loose and have some stretch to them. They are a paper bag waist with this cute little tie and belt here. I'm not sure if you can see that really well on the screen, but it does have pockets, which I also like, and no pockets in the back. But they are very loose fitting. They're not like a Spanx or anything like that. They're just a loose kind of like a relaxed fit or boyfriend fit kind of pant look to them. So I don't know. I think they're great. I'm just not sure how I would wear them. Unless I wore them similar to the way she had it styled. Can you wear just anything with these kind of pants? I guess you can. I mean, they're black pants. And are you required to tuck everything in if you wear it? I mean, I don't feel like it looks bad tucked in. I'm not typically a tuck-in kind of girl, but I feel like these are flattering in that area as well. I don't feel like anything is too tight. So let me know what you think of these. Are they a keeper? Are they a yay or a nay? This is a good box, girls. It's a good box. All right, let's see what's up next. All right, here we are with outfit number 2. So we have a cute little cardigan here with a 3-button V-neck cardigan here. It does have the wide stitching, which I think is really cute. It has a little bit of a balloon sleeve. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see that stitching. How pretty is that? All right, so it is more of a, I wouldn't say cropped, but just a regular size cardigan, regular length, not too long, not too short. Kind of fits perfectly. Let's look at the back. Okay, so they had the tank top paired with this, not tank top, the cardigan paired with this tank top. Sorry, try that again. Very cute, again, just a graphic tank. It is more of a muscle type of tank. The sleeves do kind of come in. You will see a bra strap there. This one fits surprisingly well. Usually the muscle tanks from Trendsend do not fit me all that well, especially up here. I can usually see the bra. There's usually some gaping here. But I'm just, you know, I'm just kind of on muscle tanks. Even, you know, as a layering piece, I wasn't really thrilled with this necessarily with the cardigan. I think the cardigan is cute, but I think that I can do better in terms of finding something to wear underneath it. So, I mean, again, I feel like it fits me well. No complaints there. And it's comfortable enough. So, all right, moving on to the jeans. Let me pan down just a little bit. All right, so these are the Good American jeans. I've never tried Good American jeans before. And my stylist says that they're going to fit like a glove, which they do fit, but they're slightly tight. I mean, and that may, you know, I may need to work them in a little bit. But they are extremely high-waisted, up above the belly button even, which, you know, I don't necessarily have a problem with that, but it's almost to the point where it's kind of uncomfortable. And I haven't sat down in them, but I think if I sat down, I would feel like they're all the way up underneath my chest. So, not crazy about these. I do like the wash. They do have some fraying here around the edge. The pockets are functioning. There are pockets in the back as well. There is some fraying here at the pocket as well, and then also at the ankle as well. These are more of a skinny type of jean than a looser fit type of jean. So don't think these are going to be keepers, but everything, I mean, they do fit okay. They're just not ones that I'm like, oh, I'm in love with these jeans. So, all right, let's see what's next. All right, Trendsend does this to me every time. Look how cute this is. OMG. I love the collar combination of this. I like the ombre look. I think that's pretty. The collars are great. You've got like this orange collar going into a tannish, like a cream, a tan, and then like a brownish collar here at the top. I love the collars. I love that the sleeves are a little bit balloonish. I love that it's not really, I mean, it's kind of looks oversized, but it's not really oversized. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it fits me well. There's just a little front tuck just to give it a little bit of definition, but it's just a simple crew neck here. Let me get a little closer just so you can get an idea of the collars and the stitching. See that? All right, so let's do a turnaround. What do you think of this one? I kind of like this too. Gosh, they do this every time. All right, so I just have this paired with my own jeans. These are my Democracy jeans that you guys have seen me wear several times. I love them. They are from Amazon. So I have 2 more sweaters to try on. So let me know what you think about this one. Kind of like it. All right, I'll be right back. Another really cute sweater option. So this is a little more, not really cropped, but it is a little bit shorter. It's like a creamy grayish kind of color, like a beige, grayish, if that's what you call it. It has a little bit of a collar here. It is very lightweight, V-neck, drop sleeve. It's very comfortable. I'm just not sure if I'm loving it. I feel like the fit is good. It does cover the problem areas. A little bit shorter in the front than in the back. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm not sure that I'm feeling it, but it's, again, very comfortable. I feel like my stylist has done a great job with this choice as well. Let me know what you think. All right, we have one more item. All right, last sweater. So again, very pretty. This has more of a fitted silhouette than the other ones do. It's got a square, kind of squared off neckline, which I like. It's unique. It does have ribbing through here. It is very lightweight. It is very comfortable. It has this cute little long band here that gives it some definition there at the wrist and up the arm. So again, a little more fitted. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with how fitted it is. I don't feel like it's too tight or anything. I'm just, you know, when you have your jeans on and you sit down and, you know, all this kind of that muffin top. So I don't know. Again, I like the collar. Just not sure that this is going to be a keeper. All right, I'll do the wrap up really quick. I'll be right back. All right, so my stylist sent a lot of great options this time, as they always do at Trendsend. The only problem with Trendsend is they are a little bit pricier. So I do have a 20% off discount this time. So let's check out the prices. You guys have seen the prices, I have not. And as always, I'll have everything listed down below so that if you guys want to request one of these items in your box, or if you just want to order from the website, you can do that as well. All right, so let's see. We have the pullover. Really, really, really like this. It is $78.40. A little more than what I want to spend on a sweater, but I do really like it, so we'll see. We have the tank top. It is $36.79. This is going to be a no, just not a huge fan of muscle tanks. Then we have the faux leather paper bag pants. I did really like these as well, but they are going to be a little pricey. So they are $150.40. That's a little bit out of my price range. I might put them on my Christmas list, and I did really like them. But I just don't, I feel like it's a little bit of a trend too, and I'm afraid that if I spend that much and then they kind of go out of style in a year, that I won't really get the wear out of them to warrant that price tag. Although I did really like them. So the blazer is $126.40. I did really like this. I do feel like I would get a lot of wear out of it, since you can wear it so casually as well as dress it up a little bit as well. So I do like that. We have the Good American jeans, which are going to be a no. These are $87.99. They were just a little too snug and a little too high-waisted. Then we have the pullover. That's this one here. They're calling that collar Oatmeal, and it is $70.40. This is going to be a no. I just didn't love it. But as always, I do want to hear what you guys have to say. You know, again, maybe I'm missing out on something. Maybe I don't realize that something looks good on me and I need to give it a second chance. The Rust cardigan is $43.99. Very good price. I like that. So I did really like this. I think it's very cute, and I love that collar. And then we have the Rolling Stones t-shirt. Sorry, it's kind of jacked up here on the hanger. And it is, oops, still kind of jacked up here on the hanger. It is $39.99. Again, I kind of feel like I need to be a fan of the band before wearing their band tee. Although I like the t-shirt, I think it's pretty and I think it's comfortable. I'm going to pass on that one as well. And then finally we have the last pullover, and it is $78.40. So I think this one's going to be a no as well. It's just a little bit snugger than what I would like to wear. So I did want to mention that I believe if you purchase 4 items, you get an additional 10% off if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know that I have 4 items that are options here. I am strongly considering this sweater, and the jacket. I do really need pants though. So I don't know if I should spend the money on the tops when I really need pants, but I like these really well. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you liked any of these, if you think they're all nays, if there's some in here that I liked that you're kind of like, Cindy, what are you thinking about? You need to let me know. And I think that is it for this video. So I will see you guys soon. I hope to do some wrap-ups with like the 2021 book review wrap-ups, and I'm going to repost my holiday gift guide for bookish gifts, all of that kind of stuff. So I hope that you guys will check those videos out if you have not seen those yet. I do have a Stitch Fix coming up, so lots of fun stuff here. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you have not already done so already. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out.